Okay. Right now, let me describe you the paper that had come this time around for the CDS GK paper. So I'll be telling you the answers accordingly. There are 5-6 questions which we have not done, so I'll be going a bit slowly so that you'll be able to do it. The first question relates to the term soil impoverishment relates to which one of the following. You can just check it up where it is there in your thing. It means soil getting very deficient in plant nutrients. Now, the second one, which of the following is correct sequential phase in the succession development of vegetation community in habitat? It would be nudation, migration, reaction, and stabilization. This is the match the following, which is not done. Now, which of the following mountains separate the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea? It is the Caucasus Mountains, which is the correct answer. The fifth question is rains caused by thunderstorm during the hot weather season in Karnataka are called hot weather season. They are known as mango showers. Cherry blossoms are generally for your coffee growing, not for this. Now, the next is which one of the following is the largest freshwater lake? It's Wuller Lake. It's given in your NCERT books. Now, we'll be going to these questions, which are 4 types. What happens is there's going to be 2 of it. Now, the first one, the 7th one, is not properly done here. The 7th question was about fertility of the soil, and that ancient Greeks were able to find about the fertility. Indian soil was very fertile. It is given in the Indica book. Yes, we agree to it. Ancient India knew the use of manure. Well, there's no written document to prove that, so it becomes false. So answer is C. In case of question number 8, non-cooperation began in Punjab with the student movement inspired by Lala Lajpat Rai in 1921. Yes, it was a part of the Lala Lajpat Rai, and he became one of the major people who actually propagated education boycott. The second part is the Sikh-dominated central Punjab countryside was stirred by the powerful Akali upsurge, which is also correct. So both the statements are correct. The Akali movement of the SGPC movement was one of the major things that we saw in the non-corporation movement. Both the statements are correct, but they are not in correlationship with each other. So its answer is B. Now we come to the question number 9. The Awadh Kisan Sabha, established in 1920, failed to bring under its wing any Kisan Sabha, which is very wrong. It brought a large number of Kisan Sabhas under it. The second statement is the Awadh Kisan Sabha asked the Kisans to refuse to till Bedakhli land, not to offer Hari and Begar, which is actually correct. So statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true, option is number D. Now these questions are actually, this entire section of modern history that you're seeing is from Bipin Chandra. So it's basically what we generally do it for civil services. The United Province during non-corporation movement became one of the strongest bases, which is again correct. The literally outgrowth of the non-corporation movement in Bengal was quite meager compared to the days of Swadesi, which is also correct, because in Swadesi you saw, Bharat Mata, you saw all these poems being written, but here it was not the case. The next is about the your Alvar Stains. The answer is option B. They are followers of Vishnu, and then the Nayanars are followers of Shiva. Which of the following is a monatomic? It would be helium. In a graphite, each carbon is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms. The option is B. Soap solution. Now, what would be the answer? Would be scattering of light. That would be the right answer. People prefer to wear cotton clothes in summer season. This is due to the fact that cotton clothes are good absorbers of water. Now, moving on, employing chromatography, one cannot separate radioisotopes. The atomic number of an element is more fundamental property than its atomic mass. Who said this statement? It's Henry Moseley. Which of the following acids is known as vitamin C? Is absorbic acid. Which of the following is not? Again, it's not found in animal cells. Mitochondria, Maricela fern, horsetail are examples of which of the following plant group? Petriophyta. 21st, which of the following organisms is responsible for sleeping sickness? The option is B. Now, 22nd, which one of the following body parts, organs of the human body does not have smooth muscles. It is biceps. What is intercropping? It is a simple thing. It's growing two or more crops in definite row patterns. It's option C. Magnification is observed size of specimen. It's option B. Which of the following cells organelles is known as suicide bags of a cell? It's lysosomes. A, option A. Now, which of the following statements is regard to economic models is not correct? We've not done this question as of now. The value of the slope of a normal demand curve is negative. Which of the following is example of a price floor? MSP for jowar in India. Option A. Which of the following factors is not considered in determining the minimum support prices in India? The option would be cost of living index. That is, all the remaining factors are used for determining the minimum support price. Which of the following is not a dimension of your HDI? It is access to banking and other financial provision. Option C. Gini coefficient or Gini ratio is again option C in income equality. Moving to question number 32, the answer is there are two options given. The price of the matter, the particles of the matter intermix on their own. Second, particles of matter have force acting between them. It's option C, both are correct. Rate of evaporation increases with increase in the surface area. If an object is at rest, then time is x-axis versus the distance y-axis is horizontal. That would be your answer. Now, consider the following statement. A substance can be separated into another kinds of matter by physical process. With the second one is dissolved sodium chloride. The option is B. Which of the following statements is not correct? Isobars are atoms having the same atomic number, different mass number. That's not correct. 37. If the speed of the moving magnet inside a coil increases, the electric current in the coil increases. 38. The frequency of a note that is an octave higher than 500 hertz is 1000. Now, in question number 39, he says which of the following is not correct? It is about president, vice president, CAG, and judges of the Supreme Court. The not correct are first 3 and 4. The president tenders his designation not to the Chief Justice but to the Vice President. It's true his oath is taken by the Chief Justice. The CAG of India is removed. The CAG is removed like the President. That's wrong. He's removed like the Chief Justice. So these are the statements why this is wrong. Rajya Sabha has exclusive jurisdiction over authorizing Parliament to legislate on subject of the state list, which is again an exclusive right, including Article 312 creating All India Service. Now, question number 41. Which of the following statements about the Government of India Act 1919 is not correct? Is saying again is not correct. It's option number D. The concept of four-pillar state was given by Ram Manohar Lohia. Which of the following is not a part of the Constitution of India? Fundamental rights. Participation of workers and management of industry. It is given in Directive Principles of State Policy. Which of the following is not a geographical requirement for cultivation of cotton? Is not a requirement. Temperature 25 or more. A growing period of at least 100 frost-free days. This is again wrong. And then you have medium-low missiles with good drainage, moderate to light rainfall. 45th. In case of 45th, which of the following statements regarding temperate continent is not correct? There's high range in spatial distribution of annual precipitation. D. In 46th, match the following. Anaimudi is something that we see in Annamalai. Doda Beta is something that we see in Nilgiri. Dhupgarh is something that we see in Satpura. And finally, Guru Shikhar is in Aravali. So option is C. Coral reefs are not found in Gulf of Cambay. In which of the following state is jute not cultivated? Now, it's for sure in Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, but not in Andhra Pradesh. Now, 49th is something that we've not done. 50th is again something we've not done. 51 is something again for maximum we do not know. 52 is option number C, the Greek philosopher who gave the term geography. Now, 53rd, who was the author of the Vraja Bhakti Vilasa? Is Narayan Bhatta. The Bose-Einstein condensate is fifth state of matter. The rate of evaporation of liquid does not depend upon its mass. The Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment on thin gold foil was responsible for the discovery of atomic nucleus. Food chain is passage of food from one organism to another. Which of the following is an active transportation? The option would be A. Chlorophyll is photosynthetic prokaryotic bacteria associated with membrane vesicles is what the answer is. Now, what do you mean by demographic dividend? It means a rise in the rate of the economic growth due to higher share of working age population. That's what we call demographic dividend. Which of the following is personal income disposable income? Option A. The work of the price mechanism in a free market refers to which of the following? It means interplay of the forces of the demand and supply. Indexation is a method which can be used to associate which of the following? It's a measurement of saving rates. A car undergoing uniform circular motion, the acceleration of the car is a non-zero constant. Option number B. An echo is heard after 5 seconds of the production of sound. This is something that we've not done right now. A 100-watt electric bulb is used for 10 hours a day. How many units of electricity consumed? The answer would be C, 30. Now, continuing further, which of the following statements relating to the fifth schedule of the Constitution of India is not correct? This says which of the following is not correct. The option would be D for us. Consider the following with regard to the formation of new state. So what he says, there are 4 statements given, which of the following are not correct. Parliament cannot alter the boundary of a state. It can alter the boundary of a state. It can also change the name of the state, as we saw in the case of Telangana and Odisha. It was only done by the central government. So, which of the following is wrong? We'll have option number C. Now, the Advocate General of a state wala question jo hai in India is appointed by the President of India. It's wrong. He is appointed by the Governor of India, of that state, not the Governor of India. As provided in the Code of Civil Procedure, High Courts have original. No, it's not High Courts. The original jurisdiction lies with the Supreme Court. That is something that we'll see. Which of the following forms of constitution contains a feature of both the unitary and federal constitution? The answer is quasi-federal. That's Indian constitution is more like quasi-federal. Which of the following Indian states has no international boundary? Chhattisgarh. Which of the following cities is not located on a river bank? This is a question which we have not done right as of now. Where are Jhumri Talaiya and Mandar Hills located? They are located in Jharkhand. Jhumri Talaiya is again in Jharkhand. Which of the following is not correct regarding the South India? It's option number D, extreme climatic conditions. They have similar climatic conditions throughout the year. Next, this is the thing that we've done till question number 74. Now let's continue till 75. 75 is something we've not done. 76, who gave the term or who had given the following concept of human development? Musabbullah ul Haq, he is from Pakistan. 77, which of the following regions